踏入今年11月，2023年即將結束之際，全球大自然災害忽然接踵而生。除咗地震及火山爆發之外，更發生毀滅性嘅洪水同埋風暴等災難，造成重大人命傷亡及經濟損失。11月2日，被稱為氣象炸彈嘅風暴夏蘭，以最高風速每小時290公里襲擊西歐大部分地區，成為世紀風暴，造成至少21人死亡、數十人受傷、數百萬人斷電。法國、德國、英國、比利時、意大利、荷蘭同埋西班牙等國遭遇強風暴雨，部分地區被迫關閉學校、鐵路同埋航空等交通中斷。其中，意大利災情特別嚴重，創紀錄嘅降雨量令托斯卡納進入緊急狀態。中部地區至少有7人遇難，死者包括一名85歲男子，被發現溺死喺家中1樓。洪水淹沒房屋、車庫同埋地窖，街上遍佈損壞嘅家具同埋電器。佛羅倫斯市長形容該市嘅局勢危急，因為阿爾洛河水位不斷上漲。
As the storm-ravaged landscape begins to dry and the skies turn blue, Sicily is embarking on a long and challenging journey to recovery. Then Storm Domingos brought severe weather to Italy amid concerns about the kingdom's storm preparedness. Storm Ciarán left a trail of destruction in Italy, with Italy reeling under the fury of extreme weather conditions, with Rome and Tuscany and Sicily bearing the brunt of the consequences. As a result of Storm Ciarán, heavy rain, fierce winds and tornadoes wreaked havoc across the region, causing significant damage to homes, infrastructure, and the power grid. The storms not only disrupted daily life, but also claimed many lives, highlighting the need for immediate assistance and support. High winds caused trees to fall on trams in Rome, damaging the overhead network and requiring a temporary replacement with buses, prompting the government to declare a state of emergency. With damage estimated at €500 million, the region is struggling with clogged roads, bridges, and inaccessible buildings. The storm in Sicily is a stark reminder of the power of nature and the vulnerability of human civilization in the face of such natural disasters.
此外，法國已遭受暴風夏蘭嘅嚴重衝擊， 法國消防局已應對超過3500起風暴相關事故。風暴導致多地大面積斷電，僅法國就有120萬人停電，其中布列塔尼地區有78萬用戶斷電，主要係樹木倒塌壓毀電線、電線桿同埋電纜等。風暴夏蘭以時速200公里嘅創紀錄強風襲擊犀牛，引發洪水、停電並嚴重干擾海岸。英格蘭南部數以百計嘅學校停課，沿岸因為時速135公里嘅強風，引發巨浪拍岸。喺澤西島，風速更加高達164公里，摧毀多間房屋，居民要徹夜疏散至酒店棲身。荷蘭史基葡機場超過200班機取消，多國渡輪、鐵路、航班取消或者延誤。比利時根特市一名5歲烏克蘭男童喺戶外玩耍嘅時候被倒塌嘅樹幹擊中，送院搶救數小時後不治。荷蘭芬賴鎮、西班牙馬德里中部、德國亦有多人遇難。11月6日起，有非洲之國號稱嘅索馬里進入雨季，暴雨頻發，觸發8年一遇嘅暴雨同埋洪水。持續暴雨導致洪水泛濫，已奪走至少130人性命，超過85萬人受災。索馬里嘅朱巴河同埋謝貝利河等河流發生洪水，對沿岸地區造成嚴重破壞。南部嘅蓋多、巴科勒同埋巴伊等低洼地區更面臨洪水傾瀉嘅威脅。喺洪水沖刷之下，大量垃圾同埋淤泥喺街上堆積，大片民宅浸喺水中，大批民眾流離失所。家畜、農田亦無一幸免，損失嚴重。鄰國肯亞東北部嘅加里薩郡同樣係今次洪災嘅重災區。
At least 130 people have died after parts of Africa were battered by what aid agencies say are the worst flooding this century. Somalia was the worst affected by the floods, where 51 people have died and more than 500,000 people remain displaced. Ethiopia and Kenya also bore the brunt of the flash floods. People travelling by bus in the Kenyan city of Mombasa had to be evacuated and pulled to safety by rope as flash flooding surrounded the vehicle, while others waited on top, waiting to be rescued.
洪水導致水位上漲，影響超過240萬人，其中至少82萬人需要緊急援助。洪水淹沒咗社區、農田，甚至摧毀咗橋梁，迫使70萬人逃離家園。好多民眾被強勁嘅水流沖走。世界糧食計劃署稱，極端氣候將導致索馬里嘅飢餓水平再創新高。該國冇耐之前先至啱啱經歷有紀錄以嚟最長最嚴重嘅乾旱，大量牲畜死亡，農作物歉收甚至絕收。本來已經出現糧食危機，如今再出現席捲全國8年一遇嘅致命洪水，令情況更加雪上加霜。預計今年年底，索馬里1/4人口，即430萬人將面臨危機級饑荒。聯合國資料顯示，索馬里當前有超過370萬人處於極度飢餓，受洪水影響，12月底更加可能高達430萬人。此外，積水會導致蚊蟲肆虐，聯合國援助團隊越嚟越擔心水傳播疾病嘅蔓延。目前，當地已報告疑似霍亂病例，人道主義者表示，對落後嘅社區造成咗極大威脅。
In Somalia, residents from the Luke Godi village recalled a night when floodwaters took over their homes. Abdi Adan Hassan spent hours on trees, making as much noise as possible in the hope that someone would rescue them.
We climbed trees. The whole night until morning we were beating jerry cans as a means of calling for help. We put babies and the elderly in beds and on trees and slopes. These floods have been going on for 2 weeks. The floods took people who were found the following morning on trees. We beat drums to convey messages to the people that we needed rescue.
Another resident said the floods took everything from her.
We went out of the house and the rain washed it away. We have no place to go back to. We are now living in plastic sheets. Above us is rain and under us is water. The water is not leaving us. We have no toilet. We cannot move. If we move, we are afraid we and the children will drown. We and the children are squeezed under a plastic sheet and we have nothing.
The floods, which followed heavy rains that started early October, have already killed at least 32 people and forced more than 455,000 from their homes, according to the UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs. World Vision aid workers are doing what they can to help.
索馬里鄰國肯亞嘅沿岸城市蒙巴薩同樣受雨季嘅極端反常天氣侵害，暴雨一波接一波，讓唔少城鎮變成水鄉澤國，積水之高一度將城人沒頂，有人爬上車頂等待救援。人們喺原本嘅馬路上拉緊繩索排隊渡河。當地居民抱怨，政府冇適時整修下水道，先至會令淹水嘅情況如此嚴重。洪水造成大範圍破壞，道路同埋橋梁被毀，民眾失去家園，飲用水同埋食品供應受影響。好多人無家可歸，單喺肯亞已經累計奪走76條人命。東非兩國索馬里同埋肯亞於連場暴雨引發嘅洪水下，有超過180人死亡。
11月16日起，巴西南部聖卡塔琳娜州連續多日暴雨，導致南河市附近河流水位上漲，城市遭遇自1983年40年嚟最重大嘅洪水，出現嚴重內澇。從空中俯瞰，巴西南部大城市阿列格雷港及里奧格蘭德陷在一片汪洋，民眾只能拱起家當，狼狽咁涉水撤離。老弱婦孺則被安排以划船方式接走。事實上，該省9月剛遭強烈熱帶氣旋侵襲，奪走咗50多條人命。啱啱過去唔係咁耐，豪雨又導致河川泛濫，數條村莊變成孤島，至少3.1萬居民受影響，逾1600人被迫撤離，另有8人不幸遇難。11月17日，多明尼加共和國遭遇史上最強暴雨，全國多處淪為澤國，發現房屋被毀、地下道、水泥牆倒塌等嚴重事故，1.3萬人急需疏散。當局表示，大雨導致房屋被淹、停電以及橋樑、基礎設施同埋部分道路受損，居民被緊急疏散至安全地區，學校停課。呢一場暴雨喺48小時之內降下該國有史以嚟最大雨量，全國有30省拉響警報，好多道路變成汪洋，釀成奪命事故。其中有9人被高速公路坍塌嘅隧道牆壁壓死，原因係雨水持續滲透，導致地下土壤飽和，造成混凝土牆地基塌陷。全國至少有21人喺暴雨中喪命，包括4名美國公民及3名鄰國嘅海地人。據報當地有超過2600棟房屋損毀，救援人員需逐家逐戶救出受困民眾，但死亡人數仍持續攀升。
First, we do want to catch up on what's been happening over this past weekend, and we've had a really tragic situation unfold on the island of the Dominican Republic. So heavy rain has crossed the island. A lot of this is really fueled by tropical moisture, and we've had a highway collapse. And look at this dramatic rescue video. You can see them trying to pull people into a safe area. Unfortunately, the situation has turned deadly. They've lost 20 people just this weekend because of the flash flooding.
11月20日，美國阿拉斯加蘭格爾島一座山坡因暴風雨發生土石流，大量樹木從山頂衝向下方一個社區，再流進大海，途中撞毀咗3棟房屋。經過1週搜救，再發現一名11歲女孩嘅遺體，目前已造成至少4人死亡。土石流亦掩埋朱諾以南約250公里嘅一條高速公路，導致道路中斷，附近小鎮成為孤島。 只能以船隻運送物資。11月26日喺極端氣候席捲全球下，非季節性暴雨橫掃印度西部嘅古加拉特邦，雷電交加，伴隨冰雹襲擊。印度官員表示，短短2日內至少有24人被雷擊中死亡，另有23人受傷，79隻動物死亡。同日11月26日，俄羅斯同埋烏克蘭遭受颶風級暴風雪侵襲。烏克蘭黑海市奧德薩有救護車拋錨，多輛汽車失控衝出公路，全國16個地區逾2000個小鎮同埋村莊斷電。俄羅斯莫斯科被厚厚積雪覆蓋，降雪量達25厘米，係正常嘅3倍多。當局增派逾1萬人清理積雪。暴風雪造成最少4人死亡，近200萬人斷電。俄羅斯南部及克里米亞亦出現暴風雪，部分沿岸地區風速超過每小時140公里。克里米亞多個行政區已宣布進入緊急狀態。鄰國塞爾維亞、保加利亞同埋摩爾多瓦同樣受惡劣天氣影響，多地斷電。
It was already hard enough fighting this winter in Ukraine, even before last night's snowstorm, the worst for several years. Ukrainian soldiers tried to film the conditions in which they have to operate. Some 3,000 vehicles got stuck on the roads needing rescue, and in the worst-hit area of southern Ukraine, the authorities advised people to stay at home. As the emergency services struggled to dig the vehicles out, at least 8 people were diagnosed with hypothermia in the Odessa region. A dozen motorways were closed. 2 million people remain without power for much of the day. Russian-controlled Crimea was also affected. Emergency service workers evacuated residents from the worst-hit areas and were also struggling to restore power today.
12月4日，東非國家坦桑尼亞北部馬尼亞拉地區突降暴雨，導致洪水及山體滑坡。專員表示，有一個村莊已被泥石流完全吞沒，死亡人數可能仲會上升。坦桑尼亞人民國防軍已派出特別救援隊參與搜救，大暴雨造成至少65人死亡，116人受傷。同日12月4日，馬來西亞連日遭受異常暴雨侵襲，造成多州洪水肆虐，釀成至少4人死亡，近4.1萬人被迫撤離家園。道路同埋房屋被洪水淹沒，車輛滅頂，整排店鋪關門。災情主要出現喺南部靠近新加坡嘅柔佛州，6個州共計近4萬多名居民已經被疏散至學校同埋社區中心。馬來西亞自然協會主席表示，呢個係柔佛州自1969年以嚟最嚴重洪災，人們迫切需要食物同埋藥品，而空運係現時唯一能夠提供救災物資嘅途徑。教到呢一段精華短片嘅時候，日華牧師補充，呢啲國家面對洪水等自然災害嘅時候，往往都會出現飲用水短缺嘅問題。然而，牧師早已藉着2012信息分享過生命吸管 Life Straw 以及自製濾水器等求生智慧，但顯然呢啲國家政府及人民連呢啲基本常識都冇。再一次明證，石安嘅信息確實係神賜予呢個時代救急扶危嘅答案。以下係日華牧師於2023年12月15日嘅錄音補充。
其實咧呢啲洪水咧就會睇到典型就係連政府都冇教翻啲人民咧去用翻 Life Tube， 就咁用泥水都可以變咗飲用水，或者一啲基本上嘅用泥沙碎石啊，就已經可以做到一個濾水器啊！即係泥沙碎石棉花或者泥沙碎石紙巾都已經可以做到濾水器啊！所以沖涼你解決唔到啫，但係飲用水一定得噶嘛！但係而家咧你會睇到一有洪水就話冇食用水會攞命，你諗下真係幾瘋狂啊！即係我哋教嘅嘢咧，我哋就隨隨地聽啦，係咪？但係佢哋嚟講真係救命，真係石安所俾嘅信息，全世界每一間教會或者每個地區都要聽， 因為係真係適合晒全世界喺呢10幾年裏邊嘅所有災害，即係包括而家你睇到雪災又係啦。
以下再接續呢一段精華短片嘅內容。12月10日，玻利維亞波托西省同埋丘基薩卡省發生洪災、山體滑坡及雷擊。根據玻利維亞國家氣象水文局發布嘅最新橙色預警，波托西、丘基薩卡、拉巴斯、波克班巴等省份嘅河流可能泛濫。呢一場極端天氣影響該市25個社區，1780戶家庭，造成15人死亡，其中7人死於洪災，3人死於雷擊，1人死於山體滑坡。此外，仲有超過500多頭動物死亡。無疑，當前全球破紀錄嘅極端天氣、颶風、暴雨同洪水，正提醒世人啟示錄嘅時代經已降臨。